In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate emails with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Integrating your emails with Monday.com can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage communications alongside your project tasks. Let's get started. First, you need to access the marketplace. Begin by logging into your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace tab. You can find it located in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click to open up a wide array of integration options. Next, you will search for your email provider. In the Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in the name of your email service. This could be Gmail, Outlook, or any other email provider you use. After you type it in, the Marketplace will narrow down the options for you, making it easier to find the right app for your integration. Once you locate the correct application, it's time to initiate the integration. Click on the button that says Use App. This action will start the connection process between your email service and Monday.com. It might take a moment, so just stay patient while it loads the next set of options. Now you'll need to select a workspace. A new window should pop up, presenting you with different workspaces. Choose the workspace where your team collaborates, as this is where you want the email integration to be active. Selecting the right workspace will ensure that the relevant team members can benefit from this integration. After selecting your workspace, the next step is to choose a specific board. This is crucial because it allows you to link your email with a particular board where your project tasks and plans are managed. By associating your email with this board, you will streamline communication and ensure that everything remains organized. Once you have made your selections, click on Add App to finalize the setup of your email integration. This is the final step in connecting your email service to Monday.com. After it's successfully added, you will be able to manage your emails directly from within the platform. This means that all your project elements and communications will be centralized, creating a more efficient workflow for you and your team. Imagine having your tasks and relevant communications all in one place. It can save you a lot of time and hassle. So to recap, log into your Monday.com dashboard, navigate to the Marketplace, find your email provider, initiate the integration process, select your workspace, choose the appropriate board, and finally, add the app. Congratulations! You have now integrated your emails with Monday.com. Enjoying the seamless flow it brings to your work environment. Remember, keeping your projects organized and your communications in sync is key to being productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this integration helps enhance your productivity.